everyone, and welcome to another 1000 Ways tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to create a vertical navigation menu here in Dreamweaver CS6 using sprites. Now this is a complex tutorial, so I'll be splitting it up into two different parts. The first part, which you're watching right now, will be looking over our PSD file as well as saving our image and setting up our HTML document. In the second part, we'll start our CSS styling to create our navigation. So first off, let me show you guys what you'll be making. So here, when I roll over each button, you get different icons. And basically, this is a navigation menu for like a PSP site. So after seeing that, we're going to go into Photoshop just to look over our image here. Now you have to be aware of your measurements, and as you can see, I have a lot of guides set up for this image. So basically, this left and right sides are 40 pixels wide, and the actual icons are 100 pixels both in width and height. And in the middle, the spacing are 20 pixels apart, and top and bottom are actually 50 pixels. So be aware of your measurements, because that's the only way that this technique will work. So once that's done, you will 9 times out of 10 save this image by going to File and clicking Save As or whatever have you. Now on my desktop, I already have a folder created with my image in there already, so I'm not going to do this. And now I'll go back into Dreamweaver, and I'm simply going to create a new document by going to File and clicking New, or you can use the keyboard shortcut of Command or Control N. Once that's selected, I'll have HTML, which is what I want. Click this drop down menu to select HTML5 and then press Create. I'm going to title my document as Sprite Navigation. And once that's done, we'll begin creating our HTML code. So starting off, I'm going to apply a div ID of menu and just close that div there. Now go up and input a unordered list or UL tag, and that UL there. And now we're going to apply our list items within our UL, and I'm going to provide a class to each of them, and then apply an anchor. So if you wanted to have each image linked to something, you could. And that's basically a full list item. So I'm just going to copy this by pressing Command C on my keyboard, and for PC users it's Control C, and now paste by pressing Command V or Control V, and just do that, I believe 4 more times if I'm not mistaken. I think we have 5 links. So home, PSP, change that to PSP, change this to games, I believe was the next one. Change this to games. Change this to music. Same here. Music. I think the last one is movies. Now that we have this done, we want to save our document. So I'm going to save it as Sprite navigation.html, and just find my folder that I already have created and just save it within here. And now we have our menu set up. Now, thank you guys for watching, and be sure to check out the second part of this tutorial. I hope to see you in the next 1000 Ways tutorial as well, and please like and subscribe.